welcome to my channel again, and today I'm gonna do unboxing video, and I'm gonna do unboxing my new handbags from Louis Vuitton, which is one of my favorite brands. So let's take a look. I just got it yesterday, and I would like to show you guys what I got. It's come with Louis Vuitton box, and of course it's in original Louis Vuitton dust bag. And here is a receipt. Let's take a look. And this is my new baby, my Louis Vuitton Escale collection. Louis Vuitton Escale Speedy Bandouliere 30. It's in size 30, which is the perfect size for everyday use. And I love this collection, this Louis Vuitton Escale collection, because it's so unique and it's so outstanding. Let's talk about the detail of this collection. This collection is a special edition for Louis Vuitton for Spring Summer 2020, and this is a tie-dye monogram coat canvas. It's come with the giant monogram at the front, bottom, and on the back. And on the side is the original monogram print, as you can see. And it's a silver color hardware that is a two zip closure, and the top handles is made from cowhide leather. So let's take a look inside. And there is a shoulder strap which is detachable and adjustable. And of course, a padlock. Inside, of course, the same like the normal Speedy, which is very roomy compartment, and internal zip pocket show Louis Vuitton Paris, and there is a monogram print on the cotton canvas inside, as you can see. It's so beautiful. Let me put a shoulder strap on it. Ta-da! I fall in love with this collection since it came out, and I have been looking at it for months, and finally I got it, because navy blue or royal blue, they are one of my favorite colors, so I have to get it. So let me show you how I carry this gorgeous handbag. I can carry in the crook of my arms, by the top handles itself. Use a shoulder strap over the shoulder, or horse body. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy watching my unboxing videos, and I hope this video is very helpful for someone who is looking to buy Louis Vuitton Escale collection, especially Speedy. I hope you enjoy my video and love my new baby. So see you in my next video. And if you like it, please click like and subscribe. Bye.